Yeah, I am doing great. How have you been doing now?
Yeah, nowadays I am preparing for my examination and it's just a busy schedule because of examination and other work. What about you? How have you been and what are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays, my college is going on, my classes, my tuitions, and that's all. I'm doing great. Yeah. And
Okay.
in July, maybe June or July, our exams will be conducted. So I am waiting for that. Yeah.
So as we are meeting for the very first time, so can you introduce yourself? Like what are you studying or
Yeah, sure, sure. I'm Tapan from India, West Bengal, and I'm a student. Now I'm doing my graduation in English literature. And if you talk about my hobbies, then I like talking. I like making conversation with the foreign people, as usually I do in YouTube. Okay, this is my hobby. I like reading history. Okay, I like knowing new things. Okay, that's all. And what about you?
okay. So as you know, my name is Priyanka Kushwa. I'm currently studying a Bachelor of Business Administration. I'm in my third year of graduation. And apart from this, I'm working on my soft skills and as well as working on this language. And also, I have finished videos and that I can make more and I can start my learning language.
Okay, and how old are you?
Yes,
How old are you? May I know?
I am 20 years old.
20. Okay, that's nice. And like, I forget your studies, means grade. In which class are you reading?
I'm in my third year of graduation, BBA. I'm currently studying BBA.
Okay, that's great thing you're doing now.
Okay.
So,
I want to know from you, like, how long have you been learning this language, and what are the difficulties that you have faced, and how did you overcome it?
like, I have been learning English for 2 years, you can say. Okay, actually, when I admitted to college, okay, in English literature, I took English as an honors subject, and I thought that I am a student, okay, in English literature, but I cannot speak English fluently, so I need to talk English fluently. So after first semester, I started my speaking. Okay, I started practicing. Yeah, that's all, and I realized the importance of spoken English when, okay, I was faced a fraud. Okay, once my money was deducted from my account, and I called the customer care, Central Bank of India. So there was two options. There were two options. One was for Hindi and two was for English. Okay, so I pressed two, and after receiving the call, that customer care member was talking in English. Okay, so that time I realized the importance of spoken English. Okay, so I realized that I need to speak English fluently. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. There was a lesson behind your journey.
Actually, my mother tongue is Bengali. My mother tongue is Bengali, and also that it is considered as the sweetest language in the world. And I think this is means our mother tongue is not enough for all. Means in professional and like in foreign countries, this is not allowed. Okay, this is not allowed means the people will not understand your mother tongue. And if you want to grow your you want to if you want to grow your speaking skills, communication skills, then you need to speak English. Okay, this is the other reason. Yeah.
Yes, because no doubt it's a good language you have to learn in order to in order to do more work. I mean, if we want to expand our work in whatever field we are, we should know this language.
Yeah. And what is your cause? Why are you learning English?
For me also because I have completed my 12th standard study in Hindi medium, but even my teachers motivated me to learn this language because in this world, I mean, today's generation, everyone should know the English language for higher studies. because uh, Hindi content is available. My mother tongue is Hindi. So Hindi content is available. I can do my further studies in Hindi medium, but this is a global language. As you mentioned that if we want to do more work, if we want to expand our work and anything we want to do at a higher level or in a great level, so we should know this language. This is why I'm learning this, and love this language. Whenever I speak, I feel confident.
Yeah, and sometimes people like they wish that if I could speak English fluently, then like there is a feeling in speaking English. Okay, everyone feels that. Okay, so this also works for everyone. Okay, and people from around the world, they are just trying to speak English. Okay, this is like a passion. Yeah.
Passion, yeah. And there's a confidence attached to it. We can say that because this is the global language. If you speak, definitely there is a different level of confidence in us.
Yeah, yeah. Like not for English, if you learn any kind of language, okay, so you will know another word, okay, like if you are speaking in Hindi, so you are limited in Hindi. If you speak Bengali, then you will discover the Bengali word, okay, and if you speak Hindi or like something another language like English, you will discover the English word, okay. So as per you know more things, and you will learn new things from learning new languages. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. What happened?
Network connection, poor network connection. Yeah.
What about now?
So now it is okay.
Okay, yeah, I can hear you properly. I can see you.
Yeah.
Now I want,
So
as you are studying your graduation,
sorry, could you repeat please?
as you said that you are in your graduation, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So, how you manage your college studies and this YouTube, and do you face any difficulties? Like, because this is also a different work altogether. We are doing like YouTube stuff, so we have to record, we have to upload, and there should be a perfect thing. So, how you manage?
Like I go to college every day. Okay, this is this is my strongest. I can say strongest like concentration on college. Okay, and I manage my studies by going to college every day. Okay, and I do not give much more time in study. Okay, means in my room I do not study much more. Okay, thus I study which is needed for, like at least which is needed for giving space in college in classes. Okay, I just try to manage it. And besides this, I make conversation with the foreign people. It is kind of passion. Okay, so I like to do it. Okay, and I also teach some students in a coaching. I go to this coaching 2 days in a week. Okay, so this is my daily routine, and I try to connect with new people every day. Okay, every day I try to connect. Yeah, and I
I
think that if you connect a new people every day, then you will learn at least something new from this person. Yeah.
exactly, of course. Whenever we meet with new person, definitely there is complete. Their mindsets are different, and their study, whatever they are doing, it's completely different. Field maybe, so we get to learn a lot of things from them.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
And
Any question for me?
yeah, tell me something about your like about your daily routine. How do you manage it? Okay, yeah.
Of course, for daily routine, I can say that of course I prepare my to-do list. This is many time I told not to, but in other videos, like I just prepare my to-do list, and in that to-do list, 3 to 4 MITs anyhow, like most important task what I have. I mean anyhow, like today MITs are like I have to finish or minutes the syllabus, and I do workout on a basis. I try
You're
to
not audible. Yeah, now tell me.
What about now?
Yeah, now it is okay.
Okay, so I just want to say that I prepare my to-do list and anyhow I try to complete that to-do list. Or sometimes, yeah, 90%, 80%, I complete my to-do list. But flaws are okay.
Okay, that's nice. And are you preparing for any kind of competitive exams beside your academic study?
Yes, so after BBA, I will be pursuing MBA, Master Studies, in this, Masters of Business Administration, like MBA. So before that, I will have to prepare, I will have to attempt 2, 3 examination. And yeah, I'm preparing for that also.
Okay, that's nice. And one thing I noticed on you that you're very disciplined girl. Okay,
Okay, how?
even when I mail you and you are not checking the mail, okay, because you are studying, okay. But this is not for me. Like I every time I use mobile, okay. Like when I am studying, I am using mobile. Even I am when I am like eating something, I am using mobile. Every time I use mobile. Okay.
Actually, I
This,
also use mobile all the time, but the thing is that all of notifications are off. Like whenever I go to that application, then I can see what all notifications are there. I mean, Gmail, WhatsApp, and other. I don't use Insta, so I'm, I think, very much comfortable with this stuff. But yeah, WhatsApp and the Gmail are the main two things. So I just off the notification, and whenever I need, I just on that. And sorry for this inconvenience because I haven't checked your mail for I think 2 days. Yeah, 2 or 3 days.
okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
Like it is a one kind of resolution.
Yes, of course. And of course, it is very distracting when notifications are pop up on a screen all the time. It's very distracting. That's why I
Yeah.
just try to off the notification. And whenever I have to do something or when I have to use, I just on that application and I can check out what's all there.
Yeah. Right. And I know that you are a YouTuber also. And tell me something about your YouTube journey. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, what happened?
Your is
You're wrong.
stop.
I can see you. What about now?
Yeah, now it is okay. Yeah.
About YouTube journey. So I have started my YouTube channel. Only my main motto is to first is to learn, and whatever I have learned, I just try to share it with the people so that they can also uh, learn something from that videos, and they can also connect with me on conversation videos and all. So this is the main thing is that I just want to record this vivid memories of mine, and I just want to record this journey, and I hope so. Whenever I will be fluent in English, I can say that I have done this much work, this much conversations with my lots of buddies.
Okay.
So, is there anything else?
No, now I have no query. I have no questions.
Okay, so what is the motto of your YouTube channel as you're also a YouTuber, and who inspire you, or it's your own idea?
Yeah, I saw some creators. Okay, I saw like when I started speaking. Okay, I saw some creators. They are making video. Okay, and they are also communicating with the foreigners. Okay, the teachers from UK, the teachers from USA. Okay, so I get the inspiration from that creators that I also could make video, okay, with the foreigners. Okay, so I started my channel. Okay, and I gave the name Tapan's presentation because my name is Tapan and this is presentation. Okay, Tapan's presentation. I gave the name, and yeah, I gave the name. And in the first time when I started my channel, I used to upload videos about poems and means explanation of poems and I also give some video about GK knowledge, general knowledge. Okay, then I started uploading spoken English video. Yeah,
Wow, that's so it was a wonderful. I mean, your journey is also very inspiring. You have different topics. You can say like general knowledge, and then videos or I mean, story descriptions, and right. And then now you are doing English stuff. So that's great, and all
yeah,
the best for the journey. You are doing absolutely good, and all the best for your future.
yeah. Thank you.
So it was wonderful conversation with you, and
Yeah,
have a nice
yeah. Have a nice day.
day. Bye.
Yeah, bye. Take care.